Today we are going to see how to control an LED with the help of a Bluetooth module and an Android. So you are going to only need a handful of things like an Arduino board, an LED, a Bluetooth module, a breadboard and a couple of jumpers. So let's take our first component. This is a Bluetooth module HC05, and as you can see it has got 6 pins, out of which we are not going to use the first and the last pin. So let's just focus on the other 4 pins between them. So second and the third pin, the VCC and the ground, as always goes to the VCC and the ground of the Arduino board, and the TXD and the RXD pin goes to pin number 0 and 1 of the Arduino board, which is at the lowest point of the 13 digital pins over here. So let's start connecting. I just mounted the Bluetooth module. As mentioned earlier, no connection to the pin number 1. So pin number 2 goes to VCC. Pin number 3 just a second, goes to the ground. Pin number 4 and pin number 5. Well, just don't connect the pin number 4 and 5 for now. Let's connect our LED as well. The positive terminal goes to any of the 13 digital pins over here. I'll go for 8, and negative terminal goes to ground. So connections are done, and we'll discuss about the RxD and the TXD pin later. Now let's move to our coding part. So coming to our coding part, as before in the void setup, we would declare pin number 8 as the output pin, which is connected to the positive terminal of the LED. And then coming to our looping part, so if the Arduino receives any data, that is serial.available is greater than 0, then serial.read, which means read the data. Then coming to our switch statement, if the data received is A, which comes under the case A, then the LED will glow, which means the terminal 8 will be high. And if the case is D, then the terminal will be low and the LED will turn off. As simple as that. Then coming to our break statement. After the switch statement, serial.print data, which means that the received data would be printed in the serial monitor over here in the top right corner of your window, and then repeat this whole procedure after every 50 microseconds, so that it would receive the data after every 50 microseconds. So that's it, 20 lines of code, and you could control things with the help of your smartphone. So let's just move further. So let's take our smartphone, and you need to download an app called as Blue Control from the Google Play Store. Well, the link for download is available in the description. Just go and download this Blue Control app. and then we will connect it to our Bluetooth sensor. Just open the app. The app itself would ask you whether to turn on the Bluetooth, allow the access, then go to options, select connect, scan for the devices. You'll see here our Bluetooth sensor HC05 is visible over here. Let's connect to it. It would ask you a password. It has already given us the hint that the password would be usually 0000 or 1234. Try both of them. Now, well, I know the password, so I'm trying 1234. It says connected to HC05, which means that our Bluetooth module is successfully paired with our device. You can check whether the device has been successfully paired with the Bluetooth module by just looking at the blinking LED on the Bluetooth sensor. If the Bluetooth sensor is blinking at a slower rate than before connecting, which means that the Bluetooth module has been successfully connected. So let's come back to our Android, and according to our code, when I press A, the LED will be on, and when I press D, the LED will be off. So let's check it out. When I press A, the LED is on. When I press D, the LED is off. A on, D off. You see how easy is that? So that's all for today, guys. Just remember that you need to connect the RxD and the TXD pins to the Arduino after uploading the code, or else it will give you errors and the code will not get uploaded. So just take care of that one thing. So in my next video, we are going to see how to control an LED with the help of voice commands. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and get notified about my further videos. So take care, guys.